If you are see this video, it's mean you are a lawyer or part of law firm. I talk lots of attorneys and this is what I hear. We are not getting phone calls. Our phones are not ringing. We tired ads don't work. We are not getting appointment. We really on too much on referral. You are not losing case because you are a bad lawyer, but you are losing your clients because they don't find you. If your calendar is not booked, it's mean your marketing is not working. You need a proven strategy that attests your clients and getting lots of appointment, not just burning money. As a certified Google partner, we helps attorneys and law firms dominate online. You can focus on your case and we handle everything online from creating high converting website to generating leads and getting appointments for new cases. Reach out to me today for a free consultations or free discovery call and improve your brand rapidly.